Hello to everyone, and today I will show you how to turn your video into slow motion mode using the CapCut. So let's go. Make sure that you downloaded it using your App Store or Google Play account. So click on new project right up here and choose the necessary video you want to edit. I would like to edit this one. Firstly, I will mute audio and delete the ad at the end. So let's look how it looks like before editing. So it's just a normal speed. The next step, we just need to click on the video on the timeline and go to speed settings right up here. If we want to slow the whole video, we can choose the normal mode and just to turn the speed to speed we want. For example, make it less at the same time. So let's look how it looks like. So now it's really slow, as you can see. Almost everything is not even moving. Let's make it a little bit faster. Also go to speed, normal, and make it just a half speed. Okay, as you can see now it moves with a less speed and it looks like the slow mode. But what if we want to add slow mode in the different moments? We can also do it. Click on speed and go to curve. So we can choose the moment that we want to add, for example, bullet. Look at this, hop. So it's slow mode and now it's normal or even high speed. But if you want to custom your video, you can go to custom, and here we can see the points where we can change the speed. For example, in the second point we can just make it slower, and in the fourth point we can just make it also slower. So let's watch slow mode, and now it's turning to the normal speed. Also slow mode, and now it turns into the normal speed slowly. We can also add the beat. Just click on add beat button, and now we can change something just moving. I suggest you to experiment with these settings, so it will be easier for you to do it in your personal video. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please write your comment and subscribe. Also, don't forget